Okay, so we are going to automate this website for the About Us feature using the CSS locator, the CSS Selector locator. So first things first, you want to scroll down to About Us, which is right here, okay? What you want to do is hit right click, anywhere is fine, hit inspect, and then you want to hit the selector tool after the developer console opens up. Now you want to scroll down to About Us. You want to click on About Us. And now here you see you have the thing in the front before anything else is the tag name. Okay. And then you have the attributes, which is href, title. So you'll notice before the equal sign, those are the attributes, okay? And then what's after the equal sign inside the quotation marks, you'll see About Us is here, and you'll see this link is here, okay? So what do? First of all, before we even start grabbing anything from here, let's go into our IntelliJ and let's start making the test class that we're going to make. So this is the wrong project right here. So let's do a new class, okay? And let's name it About Us Test, okay? So About Us Test, and we're going to be using the CSS selector like I said. So come here. First thing you want to do is extends common API. So extends common API like this. Now you want to come down here and you want to start making your test case, okay? So at test, and you know it's the annotation, it's coming from testng, enter. Let's name the method. So public void, this is the About Us test, right? So I'm just going to do lowercase About Us test, okay? Parentheses, braces, next, or enter rather. There you go. Now, let's start making the actual CSS selector. The way I do it is I write driver dot find element by, right? Not find elements, find element, okay? Then you do capital BY dot, by dot, and we're doing CSS selector. So type in CSS, and there you go. You have by.css selector right here. So select this one. Now there's a syntax for CSS selector. It's supposed to follow this format. So I'm going to write it on the next line right here. Matter of fact, let me write it above this one so it makes clear sense. Slash slash. It's going to be tag name, okay? And then brackets, attribute name, okay? Equals single quotes, and you're going to say the value of the attribute, and then you're going to close the brackets, and you want this is the syntax of the CSS selector. So you're going to put this information, you're going to find it on the console and plug it into here because this is the CSS selector. So just bear this in mind that you need these features. So when we come here back to our inspect element, you'll see the tag name is always given as the first thing in the beginning. The tag name for this is A. The tag name for the things above is LI. The tag name here is section, right? But we're focused on this About Us. So the tag name is A. So let's come here. Let's make A. Well, here's the thing. You have to put everything in quotation marks inside of this CSS selector. Okay. So you put A brackets. Now inside the brackets, you want to put the attribute. The attribute we're going based off of, we can choose one, href or title. Okay. I'm gonna choose, either one should work. I'm just gonna go with this link over here because I trust it more, you know. So let's go to IntelliJ because we know the attribute is href that we want to use. So go to IntelliJ, type in href equals. Now you want to go back to the console, the developer console, double click href, come to the website link, okay? Shift it all, shift and arrow, the whole thing, and then copy, Control C, copy, open your IntelliJ again, and paste that href or that attribute associated value here. Okay. Now that you've done this, there's one thing that's missing. You have to put anything after the equal sign in single quotes. Single. So 1, and come over here. 1. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to do. Let me minimize this. You want to do dot, and you can do click. Okay. Dot click. So dot click. All right. And this should be good enough. Let's run the test. Let's see if there's any issues. Okay, so the only issue was that we did not land on the right web page. We have to go inside Common API and change the web page. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. So, okay, so you want me to follow this format, right? Okay, let's follow it. What do? I write right where my cursor is? That's fine. I can just do. Okay, okay, okay. 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 Yeah, let me just erase. I'm gonna move the cursor. Let me erase this mistake I made up here, and let me. I know what you're saying. You want me to copy this whole thing, right, and just change the like this, right? And then you want me to come here, enter it, and paste it, right? And now to about us test, right? Okay, okay, okay. I'll do it. Yeah. So like this, and do I need to change anything else? Like this is t-shirt test. This one, right? About us test. Okay, okay. Like this, right? Yeah, this should be good. Okay, now it should work, right? If we run this. You want me to, oh, you want me to run it from here? Oh, comment the other ones just so it's this test, right? Okay. So right click, run. Let's see what happens. Wow, it worked. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So I'm just gonna stop the recording now, but let me just, before I stop it, let me just reiterate. Um, we're using the runner file, so we should be coming here and running it. I made the mistake of running it in the about us, but just make sure the CSS selector method we talked about is done the way we did it, but run it from the runner class every time. Do not run it from the class you're in. So